We're going to start off by logging in and taking a look at the system status page. For the FedNow Simulator, we've grouped the messages as mandated by the Fed. All the messages have been assigned to their respective groups, and each group has been assigned to its own service. Each of these services has its own IBM MQ channel configured, as shown in the channel sections here. We've also included the protocol headers that are required for these messages. In those protocol headers, we have things like signatures, JMS correlation IDs, and JMS message IDs. Moving on to the test setup, let's talk about the functionality around the FedNow Simulator. Within the FedNow environment, there are 3 financial institution profiles that we cater for. These are 1. The ability to receive a customer transfer, 2. The ability to send and receive customer transfers, and 3. The ability to receive a request for payment message. The way we facilitate support for these profiles is by building tests for outgoing messages and response rules for responding to incoming messages. Using these tests and/or response rules, users can validate their ability to fulfill one or more of these profiles. Within the test pack shown here, we have messages that have been built using the implementation guide, along with the test scenarios from the CTP workbook. On screen, you can see for credit transfers, we've got scenarios 1.26 through 1.44, and all the various permutations therein. Beyond these base tests included here, users can easily copy these tests and edit the message flow or change the data contained within to meet their own specific validation requirements. When you're happy with your scenario setup, then we're ready to create your validation projects. We've created our project templates here, grouped by the various message types and referenced by the direction of the message, e.g. the FI to Fed. We can create a project template and choose which of our configured scenarios to include within it. Using this template, we can create projects and assign those projects to multiple environments. Users with access to those environments can then view the project and execute the project. Within this project, we can see that some of the scenarios have passed and one has failed. I can view the results and view the reason for the failure, and then reconfigure my external system accordingly before re-executing the test to revalidate the external system. For a more in-depth analysis, I might want to look at the network configuration or raw message data to help narrow down the potential issues. T3Now also includes configurable dashboards. Which panels are shown, their layout and their settings is configured and persisted on a per user basis, allowing each user to create their own dashboard with the data that's relevant to them. Most panels are also interactive, allowing the user to dive down into the data behind the stats shown in the panels. Here I can see there have been 5 credit transfer transactions run in the past 7 days. If I click on the credit transfer part of the chart, I'm taken to the results page, which has been pre-filtered to show me only the results for those 5 scenarios. In this video, we've seen how T3Now can operate as a FedNow simulator, from MQ network setup through scenario configuration and project execution to result analysis and data visualization. For more information or to request a more in-depth demonstration, please use the contact form on our website, iliad-solutions.com. Thanks.